Hello there everyone, I'm Lydia from Altenew and I wanted to spend a little time with you talking about our stencils. Now we have stencils in various shapes and sizes, some large and some small. We also have builder stencils. Now these are really great for creating different effects. You can layer them, flip them, or move them around to create fuller images that way. We also have mask stencils. Now these are very popular because it means that you don't have to cut out masks for the coordinating stamp set. You can also use these to stencil as well. So I wanted to go through a couple of different ways that you can use our stencils. Number one on the list for using stencils, and this is the most popular, it is with ink blending. So you can create whole backgrounds with your inks. You can also use them to ombre effect them, or you could just spot blend various different parts of the stencil. If you have stencil with various different points as well, you can selectively ink them. So you could use little tiny finger daubers to add different colors to the stencil that way. Ink blending is a great way to use our builder stencils as the ink dries really quickly. So you're going to be able to create your beautiful backgrounds quickly and easily. You can also use pens through our stencils. So you could use any markers that you do have. Also our artist markers work perfectly with these as well to create more of a detail effect with your stencil rather than the ink blending. As well as that, you can use our ink sprays. So our ink sprays work particularly well with our stencils. Just spritz them over your desired area, remove the stencil, and then you're going to be able to create a beautiful background very quickly and very easily. Another way to use your stencils is with a little bit of a emboss resist. So all you're going to need to do is pop your stencil down, add some embossing ink through the stencil, remove the stencil, add some embossing powder and heat set. You can then use this background in various different ways as you would a embossed ink resist. So with watercolors or with your blending tools as well. Another way that you can use them is to stamp through them. This is going to give a really different look. So you can use various different images, but I do find that sentiment stamps works particularly well for this. Just to make the sentiment pop out a little bit more, or the stamping that you've done through your stencil, just trace around the stencil and it's going to give you a really great bold line that way. As well as that, you can also use embossing paste. Now this is going to give you a really great textured look. You can use the embossing paste just as it is, the white if you wanted to, or you could also colour this. You can colour the embossing paste with various different things. So ink sprays, inks, and even watercolors work pretty well to colour this embossing paste. Another way to use your stencils is to dry emboss them. So to do this, you're going to need an embossing pad. Just place your cardstock, your stencil on the embossing pad and run it through your die cutting machine. This is going to give you a great textured look without the mess of embossing paste. We really do hope this video has helped inspire you to use your stencils in a different way, and we hope you have lots of fun doing it. Have a really beautiful day. Bye.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.